In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales pipeline in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, customized pipeline that mirrors your sales process and gives you better visibility into what's moving and what's stuck. First, head to the Deals section from the left pane. This is your central hub for managing opportunities. You'll land on a default pipeline that Pipedrive provides. It's helpful for getting started, but to make the tool work for you, we'll create a new one tailored to your workflow. Don't worry, the default pipeline stays intact. We're just adding a fresh pipeline that matches your process. Look to the top right and open the pipeline menu, then select New Pipeline. This opens the setup area where you can start shaping your pipeline. Think of each stage as a clear checkpoint your deals pass through, from first contact to a signed agreement. The goal is to make these stages reflect how your team actually sells, so everyone knows exactly where each deal stands. Now, add or remove stages as needed. Keep it simple and intentional. Too many stages can create noise. Too few can hide important handoffs. Consider the steps you consistently take, like initial outreach, qualification, proposal, negotiation, and won or lost. If a stage doesn't serve a distinct purpose, it probably isn't needed. You can always adjust later as your process evolves. Next, rename each stage so they're crystal clear to your team. Use action-oriented, unambiguous names that match your internal language. Consistency is key here. Precise names reduce confusion and make reporting cleaner. If multiple people manage deals, align on naming conventions before you commit. You can also add probabilities and, if useful, set rotting in days. Probabilities represent the likelihood of closing a deal at each stage and help forecast revenue. Start with realistic estimates based on past results and refine over time. Rotting highlights deals that have sat untouched for too long, so you can spot bottlenecks and follow up before momentum fades. Choose timeframes that fit your typical sales cycle and buyer behavior. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right to apply your changes. That's it. You've built a pipeline that matches your process, clarifies priorities, and surfaces risk early. From here, your team can move deals through stages with confidence, track progress at a glance, and make smarter decisions based on real data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Pipedrive workflow.